Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make another Christmas ornament, but before that I would like to make mention and I would like to thank Impress Shop for my nails. They are on Instagram and Shopee as well. Both links you can find on the description box below. So I want to show you the ones they sent me. It comes in this package with a cute ribbon. They are so very accommodating. They will respond right away if you have any questions. So check their Instagram and they have lots of designs and color to choose from. So the packaging is like this. It also has instructions at the back. It comes with a glue and a stick-on sticker. So this is the one I'm wearing today. This is the BFF, and we have some other designs as well. So again, thank you Impress PH Nail Pot. It's on their Shopee as well. The link, as I've said, is on the description box below. So let's get started. For this project, I'm going to use this mercerized cotton, my 3mm crochet hook. We have our yarn needle and our scissor. So let's get started. I'm going to make use of my double pull, and to start off we're going to make our magic circle. And we're going to make 8 single crochet in our magic circle. Once you have your 8 single crochet, we're going to close our ring. And slip stitch to close. Chain 2 and make 1 double crochet again on the same chain. Chain 1, and on the next chain we're going to make 2 double crochet together. You have 3 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn and put up a loop. Chain 1, and this will be our repeat until you reach the very end. We're not going to make any skipping. On the very next chain we're going to make 2 double crochet together. So continue doing your repeat until you reach the very end. So now we have 8 groups of 2 double crochet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we are ready to close. Slip stitch on the very first group. slip stitch on the chain 1 space and chain 2. Make 1 double crochet again on the same chain 1 space, chain 3, and 2 double crochet together on the same chain 1 space. So it's somehow a V stitch, but we're having 2 double crochet together on both sides. So on the next chain 1 space, we're going to do the same thing. 2 double crochet together, chain 3, 2 double crochet together again on the same chain 1 space, I mean. So this will be our repeat for this round. In every chain 1 space, we're going to make 2 double crochet together, chain 3, and another 2 double crochet together on the same chain 1 space. So now we are ready to slip stitch. We have 8 groups of our V stitch. Slip stitch to join and slip stitch to reach this chain 3 space. Chain 2 to move up, and we're going to make 6 double crochets on this chain 3 space. That would include our chain 2, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and we're going to make a single crochet in between these 2. 1 single crochet, and then continue doing your 6 double crochet on the chain 1 on the, and continue doing your 6 double crochets on the next chain 3 space. Single crochet, and again we reach our chain 3 space, so 6 doubles, So just continue doing your repeat in every chain 3 space, and we're going to make our single crochet on the last chain here, and we're going to slip stitch on the very first chain that we made. And now for our last round, so we slip stitch, chain 1, and we're going to make 1 single crochet on the same chain, one single crochet on the next, one single crochet on the next. So 3 single crochets on the first 3 chains, chain 3, and we're going to make our picot. After you make your chain 3, slip stitch on that V stitch on that single crochet that we made on the last single crochet, slip stitch, and we're going to make 3 single crochets again on the next 3 chains. We're going to make a slip stitch on the middle one. This is the single crochet that we made. Slip stitch, and continue doing your 3 single crochets. So this will be our repeat. Just continue doing your 3 single crochet and then chain 3 slip stitch, and then continue your other half for the 3 single crochets. So continue doing until you reach the very end. And we're going to slip stitch to end this round. Make your 1 single crochet, and slip stitch. Now we are ready to fasten off and cut our yarn. You can also block this one by using, for me, I use a combination of the normal glue and water, and then I just use a small paintbrush. I just pin this one in plastic folder and then just gently brush it with a combination of glue and water. Then you can just air dry it for, I normally air dry it for overnight. Then the next day it will be stiff and ready. So take your yarn needle and we're ready to weave our ends. So now we are done with our coaster, and actually I have made several already of this green. I just have to weave my ends, and I have also these red ones. Actually this is already a commissioned work, so I made 9 of these red ones, and I still have to make a few of the green because they have ordered 9 of this green and 9 of this red color. You can make this in minutes, and it's a great gift ideas to our friends and loved ones. So for those who hasn't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it so you will be notified every time I have a new video. Again, thank you Impress PH for my nails, and happy crocheting everyone. Stay safe and God bless.